What we're going to do here is set the machine up for dialing out any under or overcuts. The first thing we need is a squared board, and what we're going to do is set the machine up. I'm setting this to 8 centimetres or 3 inches, just making sure everything is set to the same. Put the board into the corner hard up against the mat guide and the bottom edge. We bring the cutting head down on the finger gauge, engage that just on the edge of the mount board, push the blade in and pull. Turn the board through 90 degrees and make a second cut. And what we've done is cut one corner. What we have here is a slight overcut here and a slight undercut here. This one isn't quite reaching the corner and this one has gone past the corner. So what we need to do is first I'll start with this one, which is an overcut, and you have to work out where it is on the machine. When it's in the machine, we're cutting this line and the start of the cut is overcutting, and on the micro adjusters we can dial this out. So it's overcutting, so the cut is too long, so we need to reduce the length of the cut. And this is about 1.5 millimeters, so I need to reduce it by 1.5 millimeters. And the important thing is to remember to reset the gauge to the right dimension, because if you don't reset it, you haven't actually altered it at all. And then on this cut, this is undercutting, so we need to extend the cut. So we turn that to the plus. Again, this one's about 1 millimeter, so we adjust that and reset. Then in the corner that we haven't cut, again, make 2 cuts. This was our cut. We've still got a slight overcut, so we need to reduce the cut. So just a little and reset. Now what I'm actually going to do is reset this to 7 centimetres all the way around. And we can use the same board. Just do a quick check, and typical, I've taken it too far back, so I just need to go back, extend the cut because it's slightly undercutting, and reset. And what I'm going to do is carry on round. And there we go, the machine is now set up, no under or overcuts.